about the cell selection. So let's begin. Let's start with the selection of cells. Before understanding the selection of cells, we have to understand why we have to select the cells. To perform different functions in Excel, we usually have to select a group of cells. The functions can be copying, moving, inserting or deleting the text. So there are so many ways in which we can select the cells indifferently. Like entire row or column means one complete row we wanted to select, like one row, second row, third row, fourth row, only one row if we wanted to select, or if you wanted to select this whole worksheet, then adjacent row and column, no adjacent row and column. Adjacent row and column means continue. After like I selected the fifth row and then I wanted to select the 20 up to the 27 row. Okay, this will be the adjacent row. And no adjacent row means like I wanted to select this fourth row, I wanted to skip this rows, then I wanted to select this 21st of row, that is called no adjacent row, means that are not in continuity. Next one is range of cells, means complete range, like from here I wanted to select the range from this 27. Okay, so this will be in the complete group. Okay, like this from A1 to D1, like I wanted to select, so this will be the range of cells. So let's understand this one. First, selection of entire row and column. Okay, to select the entire row and column, if I wanted to select entire row, then I will click on this row heading. Now row third is selected. Now if I wanted to select this fifth row, then I will click on this 5. Okay, entire row 5 is selected. Likewise, if I wanted to select the entire column, then I will click on this column heading. So this entire column is getting selected. Okay, in this way you can select whatever the column you wanted to select. Next, entire worksheet. Entire worksheet means this complete worksheet we wanted to select. So there are two ways to do the following. First is, there is a shortcut key to do Control A. Now I used it, so whole sheet is selected, worksheet is selected. So and the other way is, you can see here this button is called Select All button. By using this button also we can select the whole worksheet, like I am using it. Now our whole worksheet is get selected. Next, adjacent rows and columns. Adjacent row and column means like after 5 I wanted to select up to the rows 12th. Okay, so this is the adjacent rows, means from this range to this range I am selecting. So from I am clicking on here. Okay, then I can hold down the shift key and click on the last row up to the which row you wanted to select, like up to the 13 I wanted to select. Now it is selected. Next one is no adjacent rows and column. Like I wanted to select the row number 4. Okay, by skipping this number of rows up to the 11, I wanted to select only the row number 12. So for that, what we have to do? We have to select the row number 4, then hold down the Control key. Okay, before that what we have used? We used shift key. Now we are using Control key. Okay, see what is happening? I am holding down the Control key and clicking on this row 12. Now it is selected. Row number 4 and row number 12 is selected. So this is no adjacent rows and column selection. Next one is range of cells. Like I wanted to select from the A1 to 16, C16. So what I have to do for that? I have to place my cursor in the A1, then hold down the shift key, then click on the last cell which I wanted to select, like up to the C21 I wanted to select. I have to select on the last cell. Now it is selected. This is called selecting of cell range. Okay, another way by which we can do this. Click on the first cell you wanted to select and hold down the shift key and use the arrow button. Okay, whatever the rows you wanted to select, it will get selected.